Presenting the 2011 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.